Review Oppo A3, 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory, open box, look completion. Device in the black color. In completion we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, double camera on the back side, LED. On the front side, display 6.67 inch. On this side, slot for SIM cards. On this side, power button and volume buttons. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Open settings. About phone, we have Android 14 and ColorOS 14.0. Okay. Now open test, Geekbench 6. CPU we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 Plus. Single core multi-core score. GPU test results doesn't have, and look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, okay. PUBG Mobile works only on the low graphic level, okay. Open camera. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.